Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond the twinkling stars? The universe in its vastness holds an infinite number of mysteries waiting to be explored and understood. It's a cosmic ocean where the known and the unknown coexist, a place where every sparkle in the sky tells a unique story. The theme of today's journey involves venturing into the farthest corners of this universe in search of celestial bodies that are new to our knowledge. We're talking about the discovery of new stars, the birth of nebulas, the formation of galaxies, and so much more. These aren't just celestial bodies. They're pieces of the cosmic puzzle that help us comprehend our place within this grand scheme. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we unravel its profound mysteries, shedding light on the darkest corners of this unending expanse. In the quest to uncover these mysteries, astronomers have made some remarkable discoveries. The journey of these discoveries is as fascinating as the universe itself. Our voyage through the chronology of discoveries begins with the stars. The first stars were discovered by our ancestors, who gazed at the night sky with naked eyes. They named them, grouped them into constellations, and used them to navigate their journeys. However, it was not until the invention of the telescope in the early 17th century that we started to see stars as more than just twinkling lights in the sky. With the aid of telescopes, astronomers began to discover nebulae, vast clouds of dust and gas where stars are born and die. One of the most iconic discoveries is the Crab Nebula, first observed by Chinese astronomers in the year 1054. This nebula, produced by a supernova explosion, remains an intense focus for astronomers as it provides unique insights into the life cycles of stars. As our tools and technology evolved, so did our perspective. We began to realize that our Milky Way was not the only galaxy in the universe. The Andromeda Galaxy, discovered by Edwin Hubble in the early 20th century, was a game changer. It was the first galaxy identified outside of our own, leading to the realization that the universe is much larger and far more complex than we had ever imagined. In more recent years, the discovery of new stars such as Kepler-10c has opened our eyes to the diversity of celestial bodies. Kepler-10c, a mega-Earth exoplanet discovered in 2014, challenges the conventional theories of planet formation and hints at the possibility of life beyond our solar system. Each of these discoveries, from stars to galaxies, has shaped our understanding of the universe. They have helped us realize that we are but a small part of a vast cosmic landscape that is constantly evolving, constantly changing. Each new finding, each new revelation brings with it new questions, new mysteries to unravel, and new horizons to explore. Each discovery propels us further into the unknown, broadening our understanding of the universe. These discoveries are not just about adding more celestial bodies to our astronomical catalogue. They are much more than that. They are about unraveling the mysteries of the universe, about understanding our place in the vast cosmic expanse. Every new star, nebula, or galaxy discovered is a challenge to our previous notions about the universe. They question what we thought we knew, and they invite us to explore further. These discoveries have broadened our perspective, nudging us to acknowledge that we are but a small part of something incredibly vast and intricate. They have inspired us to push the boundaries of space exploration, to venture into the unknown. Each discovery is a step closer to answering the age-old questions. Are we alone? Is there life beyond Earth? These discoveries have not just expanded our cosmic address book, they have expanded our minds. They have fueled our curiosity and kindled our imagination. These discoveries have indeed redefined our place in the universe. So what does the future hold for space exploration? As we gaze into the cosmos, the future of space exploration is brimming with potential. New missions and projects are on the horizon, each aiming to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch soon, will peer further into space than ever before, uncovering secrets of the earliest galaxies. Technology, too, is playing a pivotal role. Innovations in propulsion, materials, and artificial intelligence are making it possible to reach distant planets and asteroids. These advancements could revolutionize our understanding of space and our place within it. Moreover, international collaborations are shaping this new era of exploration. Together, countries are pooling their resources and expertise, reaching for the stars as a united global community. As we continue to explore the vast universe, who knows what other astonishing discoveries await us? The future of space exploration is indeed a thrilling frontier, filled with limitless possibilities and uncharted territories.